Jesus stood under the tree and said, Zacchaeus, come down immediately. I must stay at your house today. Luke chapter number 19, verse number 5. Notice this. Zacchaeus didn't invite Jesus. Jesus invited himself. Why? Because obedience had already opened the door. Zacchaeus climbed the tree in faith, and faith gave Jesus access. When you open the door and obey Jesus, Jesus doesn't wait for permission, he enters. Jesus invited himself into Peter's boat in Luke chapter number 5, verse number 3. And that obedience led to a miracle catch. He told the disciples in John 15, verse 16, you did not choose me, but I chose you. He stood at the door in Revelation chapter number 3, verse number 20, knocking, not begging, ready to enter when faith responds. Here's the truth. Obedience creates invitation. Faith opens the door you never knew existed. Jesus doesn't force his way in, but when he sees faith, he steps forward boldly. So climb that tree, launch that boat, open the door.